My name is Seyed Pairawan, and I'm a vascular surgeon with Gulf Coast Vascular. I was born in Iran, and I was raised in Sweden, and I did my medical school in Czech Republic. I moved to the US to complete my training, and I did my general surgery residency at Loma Linda University Health in California, and I finished my vascular surgery fellowship at Henry Ford in Detroit, Michigan. Outside of work, I'm a husband and a father. I have 3 kids, and one of my hobbies is that I enjoy spending time with my kids. At Gulf Coast Vascular, we treat all vascular conditions, both in a minimally invasive fashion and open approach. We treat peripheral arterial disease, carotid disease, aortic aneurysms, mesenteric arterial disease, venous disease, and dialysis access. One of my special interests is aortic aneurysms, and specifically complex aortic aneurysm repair. And another one of my interests is peripheral arterial disease requiring surgical bypasses and deep venous arterialization. What makes my clinic special is that we offer latest treatment options and advanced technology, allowing us to tailor care for each patient. I spend a lot of time educating patients and also making sure that they understand their condition. At Gulf Coast Vascular, this is a team approach, and we look forward to meeting you in our office.